Meet the ladder that's built to be your reliable partner for everyday tasks. Made from premium grade aluminium with a sturdy 2.5 mm thick section, it offers just the right balance of lightweight and dependable strength, easy to carry yet capable of safely holding up to 150 kgs. Each step is wide, slip resistant and steady beneath your feet, giving you the reassurance to climb with confidence. At the top, a thoughtfully crafted tool tray keeps everything you need within easy reach, from hand tools to even a bucket of paint, so you can stay focused on the job without constant trips up and down. Whether it's a demanding workday or a simple weekend fix, this aluminum stepladder is designed to make every climb safer, every reach easier and every job a little more effortless. Thank you for watching this video.